welcome to today's webinar, TESSY Command Line Best Practice for Continuous Integration. My name is Oliver Goeth. I'm working at Hitex Sales in Karlsruhe, Germany, and I would like to start to give you a quick overview about the company Hitex. Hitex was founded in 1976 as an embedded development. Since 2003, we are part of the Infineon Group. Today, Hitex, as a proven expert, is also a great demand as a service provider for training and consulting, test services, development and production services. We can support all phases of your projects from the idea to the finished systems. And now, Andres, it's your turn.
Thanks, Oliver, for introduction. My name is Andres Richter, that's okay. So I'm responsible for training and support at Hitex. And today we will concentrate on the command line interface of TESSY. So today we will TESSY to let do the job. Maybe you know me from trainings and you saw me now, so I will switch off the camera to have more bandwidth and also to have a little bit more on the screen. So TESSY means today we have TESSY modes. We have two modes, and the well-known one is the so-called the standard GUI. But beside that, we have a second mode for TESSY. It's so-called the headless mode. And in the seminar today, we will try to get some basic knowledge how we can really work efficiently with both. For trainings and also for support, I got questions related to the workflow using TESSY and headless mode. So there's a famous webinar from Frank Büchner in the past with a TESSY 4 version for concentrating on the command line. We will do that now with the current TESSY version 5.1. Of course, and it's English now today. We got the remarks at that time. So today English and TESSY 5.1, and we will also take care about the TESSY part during the CI process. The structure, first of all, I will introduce the headless mode, and then we will have a demo. Please be aware, we like to have a SPI. That means we like to see the effects from the DOS box in the TESSY. So typically we will have the headless mode, but here in the demo, we need the SPI, so we will observe the actions in the GUI mode. And for you, for your references, at the end, you will get some reference for the help, how you can start. So now let's go ahead. I told you about two modes. That means, here commonly known the TESSY mode here. So this one is really the. So here we have the icon. So it's of course in the Razorcat TESSY bin folder. And beside that, we have others. So here we can see the TESSY daemon. That means this is the headless mode of TESSY. And here we have another one. It's the command interface. And with this command, you can connect to any TESSY instance. You can connect to a TESSY headless, or you can connect to a GUI. And that's what we are doing in the demo later.